Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to connect to NVIDIA. First, open the Start menu on your PC. In the search bar, tap Services and click on the result to open the Services app. This app manages all background processes running on your system. Scroll down the list and find NVIDIA Display Container LS. This service is essential for NVIDIA software to function properly. Right-click on it and select Start if it isn't already running. If it's already running, you can choose Restart to refresh the service. Next, look at NVIDIA Network Setup service in the same services list. Right-click on it and select Start or Restart. This ensures that your NVIDIA network-related functions are active and not working. Now, go back to the Start menu and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on the arrow next to it and choose Uninstall. This removes the software interface but keeps your system ready for a clean driver installation. After uninstalling the control panel, open Settings from the Start menu. On the left-hand side, click Apps, then select Installed Apps. Here, you can see a complete list of all programs installed on your PC. In the search bar, tap NVIDIA to quickly locate all NVIDIA-related software. Click the three dots next to NVIDIA graphics drivers and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to completely remove the driver. You can also uninstall NVIDIA Control Panel if it appears in the list. Once everything is uninstalled, it's recommended to restart your PC. After rebooting, go to the official NVIDIA website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Install it and follow the prompts carefully. After installation, open the NVIDIA Control Panel to check if it's working properly. Your PC should now connect successfully to NVIDIA services, resolving the unable to connect to NVIDIA issues. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.